Welcome back to today's video. I am going to be showing you a typical Nigeria traditional bridal makeup look. Guys, you don't want to miss this tutorial. It is so detailed, and I am going to be showing you all the process how to blend the eyeshadow, so keep on watching. That's the eye that I am going to be creating, and of course I am going to be using an eyeshadow primer, which is very important. That will help your eyeshadow to stay in place. So for our eyeshadow base, after the primer, I am going to be applying a matte eyeshadow, and I'm picking that neutral shade from that palette. That's a Dabota palette from a Nigerian Cosmetics, and I'm using that brush to place that color right above my crease, almost to my brow head. This is what you get in most Nigeria traditional bridal makeup look. So I'm going to extend it all the way to my brow head. That is going to be our transition color. So the next color is going to be a deep brown, and that is going to be going into my crease, to deepen my crease really well. And afterwards I am going to my lid to apply that same primer. The effect of this is to make all the eyeshadow I'm going to be applying on the lid to come out really pigmented. And after that, I am going to be using a pigment which is brown and it has some shimmers in it. I'm going to place that on my lid. Then after that, I am going to be going into pigment. So I think the star of the show is the pigment. It's the pigment that usually make the eyes look really nice, sultry, and sparkling. The pigments you are going to be using totally depends on you, or maybe if you are going with the theme of the wedding or what the bride is wearing, totally depends on you. But I just mix different pigments to suit my skin. And also I am going to be making it look like yellow eye by adding a bit of black at the outer part and inner part. Then I'm going to the lower part of my eyes, adding a deep cool tone brown under my eyes. Then the first color that I use on my lid above my crease, I'm going to be using that to blend it out so I have a seamless look. And for my waterline, I'm going back to reinforce that white liner from the eyeshadow primer. So I already had lashes on, and that is an extension I DIY myself. So most Nigeria traditional brides, they usually have like full lashes. Most of them, not all of them anyways, they usually have like full lashes on. So I went ahead to stack my lashes together, and guys, look at the way my eyes is looking. And I also went ahead to use like two pieces of individual lashes in my lower lashes, just to bring it out. It's not so much, it's barely noticeable, but I mean it just give you the volume. So guys, that's that about the eyes. We are going over to the edge. So this is called Zara Gele. This is popularly common among the northern in Nigeria. So basically what you would do is, first of all, you need a fabric that is very stretchy so you can manipulate it however you want. Then I'm going to use a paper. You can see me folding, like I folded the paper and put it there. The excess of that paper is to make it firm and to give you that like a cap, a man cap kind of shape, just to make it really firm and make it look like like you're wearing a cap basically. And when you're tying this, you want to put it on your head, not like you're taking it down. It should not cover your ears. The part of your face that this cap is going to be covering is your brows. If you want it to cover your brows, it should, but not completely, but let it rest on top of your brows, and that's what give it that really nice look. So I'm just going to be wrapping the hair tie around. It depends on how you want it. You can see what is giving. So what I have left there, I'm going to use that to cover my hair at the back so my hair does not show while I turn my back. Basically, that's all about this Zara Gele. It is very simple. It is very cheeky, very classy. Like, you can tie it anywhere. As a bride, you can tie this on your head if you want. As someone that is celebrating, like a birthday celebrant, you can also tie if you're going to be wearing traditional attire. So after that gele, I am going back to add bronzer. Like, I like to warm my skin really well. So after applying the bronzer, I'm going to extend the application to my shoulder just to give me a cohesive look. That's the excess of doing that. And most especially as a bride, if you are going to be wearing a top that will be showing off your shoulder, I think it is good for you to extend your bronzer from your face to your shoulder, just to give you one look and make everything look seamless. Then for my under eyes, I'm going into a powder foundation. I'm using that to add more powder, not necessarily add more texture, but to just give me a flawless under eye look. And this is a powder foundation. It's going to add more, coverage to my look. And look at the part that I added the powder. You can see how it looks so different from the part I did not. So it just gives you this polished, baby doll look. And I love this look, guys. It looks so beautiful. I love all the sparkling. Like, you can't really tell what color I use on the lid. Like, I just put everything together and they came out so beautiful. I love it so much. What do you guys think about this look? Is it something you're going to be trying out? Have you been wondering how most Nigerian makeup artists put out this look? Now in my video, were you able to get that right? Please don't forget to leave me a comment concerning this look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye guys.